Which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18 is 78? So the AP that we have is 3, 8, 13, 18, and there is 178. We do not know the order of it. So for this they are saying this is your A1, A2, A3, A4th term. We must find out which term is 78. So we start A equal to 3. Now to find D is A2 minus A1, that is 8 minus 3, and that would be 5. Our AN, here we have AN is 78. We know our formula, AN equal to A plus N minus 1D. So we use in this formula for AN is 78, your A is 3, N minus 1D is 5. So 78 equal to 3 plus 5N minus 5. So here we'll have 78 minus 3 plus 5 equal to 5N. And the 5N now will be equal to 80. N will be 80 over 5. So N equal to 16. So here my nth term, this will be A 16. So for the answer I can write AN, or the 16th term, AN is 78 and A16 is 78. So the 16th term is 78. Find the number of terms in each of the following AP. So for the first one, the AP is 7, 13, 19, and it ends at 205. Which means now the first term, this is the first term, this is the second term, this is the third term. The last term we do not know which term it is AN. So let's start doing the sum. So we have A equal to 7. Now D will be equal to A2 minus A1, that is 13 minus 7, which is equal to 6, and is given to us here. We know our AN. Our AN is 205. We will use the formula AN equal to A plus N minus 1D, and we know the AN is 205. Your A is 7 plus N minus 1, and the D is 6. So we work this out. 205 equal to 7 plus 6N minus 6. To 205 equal to 7 minus 6 is plus 1 plus 6N. So 205 minus 1 equal to 6N, 204 equal to 6N, N equal to 204 over 6, and that is 34 equal to N. So this last term here, this is A34. So this AP has 34 terms. The AP has 34 terms. Now we have to check up for the next one. It is 18, 15 and a half, 13 and minus 47. So here the AP is 18, then 15 and a half. Have you seen the numbers are decreasing? It's a decreasing AP. If it's decreasing AP, your D will come negative. So here is A1, A2, A3. We have to find how many terms, and this is our AN. So your A equal to 18. Now to find the D is A2 minus A1. A2 is 15 and a half minus 18. So that's 15 and a half will be 15 into 2 is 30. 31 by 2 minus 18. So we take LCM here, 31 minus 36 over 2. And this is minus 5 by 2. So your D is minus 5 by 2. This is important. Your A is 18. And now we use our general formula, AN equal to A plus N minus 1D. Now we know our AN is here, is minus 47. So minus 47 equal to A we know is 18 plus N we need to find out, and the D is minus 5 by 2. We'll continue. Minus 47, we'll bring the 18 on the other side, becomes minus 18 equal to N minus 1 into minus 5 by 2. So minus 47 minus 18 is minus 65 equal to N minus 1 minus 5 by 2. So now we take minus 65. This minus 5 by 2 from here, we take it on the other side. So it becomes into minus 2 by 5. N minus 1. We work this out. This turns out to be 26. Minus minus is plus, remember. And you have N minus 1. So 26 plus 1 equal to N. So N equal to 27. So here we have, this is A27. So the AP has 27 terms. 27 terms. So this last term is this N equal to A27. Check whether minus 150 is the term of the AP 11, 8, 5 and 2. So here my AP is 11, 8, 5, 2. I have to check if minus 150 is the AN term. This is my question. Does my minus 150 come in the AP, is a part of the AP? So if you look here, my first term is 11. The D is A2 minus A1, 8 minus 11, and that is minus 3. And we saw that we have to find out, we'll just put AN equal to minus 150. We don't know if 150 is a part of the AP. And the formula for this, here we have AN equal to A plus N minus 1D. And AN is minus 150, A is 11. We'll find the N, and the D is minus 3. So when we now work this out, you get minus 150 equal to 11 minus 3N plus 3. So minus 150 minus 11 minus 3 equal to minus 3N. So minus 164 equal to minus 3N. So if minus 3N equal to minus 164, the N is minus 164 over minus 3. So N is 164 over 3. Now this is a fraction. We cannot reduce it. And you know N cannot be a fraction. N cannot be a fraction. we can have the first term, we can have second term, we can have third term, we can have fourth term. We cannot have the 3.5 terms. This is not possible. Or we cannot have 1.5 terms. N is always a natural number. So here we have n is 164, which is not possible. N cannot be a fraction. So hence we say minus 150 is not term of AP. Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. So it's given to us that the 11th term is 38, which means A11 equal to 38. Now A11 is A plus 10D equal to 38. So this is equation 1. So we'll take up the other part. They said the 16th term is 73. So we'll write here 16th term is 73, which means A16 equal to 73. A16 is A plus 15D is 73. This is equation 2. Now both these equations will subtract 2 from 1, which means we'll have A plus 10D equal to 38 and A plus 15D equal to 73. Subtract means we need to change the sign. So this is minus, minus and minus. This cancels out. Here you will have minus 5D equal to, on subtraction of this you get minus 35. So your D will be minus 35 over minus 5. Your D will be 7. For the next part you need to find A. So we'll say put D equal to 7 in equation 1. So that is A plus 10D equal to 38. A plus 10, we know D is 7 equal to 38. A plus 70 equal to 38. A will be equal to 38 minus 70. So A will be minus 32. So here we've got our A and here we got our D. Now we have to go ahead and find the 31st term. 31st term will be 31, A31, which is A plus 30D, and put the values. We know our A was minus 32, 30, and our D we put 7. On working this out, you'll get the answer as 178. So the answer for this sum, the 31st sum of this AP is 178. An AP consists of 50 terms, of which the third term is 12 and the last term is 206. Find the 29th term. So first they have said the third term is 12. That means A3 equal to 12 and A3 is A plus 2D equal to 12. This is my equation 1. Let's get on to the next part. In the next part they said the last term is 206. Last term equal to 106. And they have said the AP has 50 terms, which means the last term is A50 equal to 106. A50 will be A plus 49D equal to 106. This will be my equation 2. For the next part, I will subtract 2, equation 2 from 1. So I have a plus 2d equal to 12, a plus 49d equal to 106, and since I'm subtracting, I need to change my signs. This will cancel out. On working this, I get minus 47d equal to minus 94. So d equal to minus 94 over minus 47. So d equal to 2. I have to go ahead and find out my a. To find out my a, I will substitute in one of the equation. So put d equal to 2, say in equation 1. That is a plus 2d equal to 12. A 2. Now I know my d is 2 here, so I will put 2 equal to 12. A plus 4 equal to 12, and my a now turns to be 12 minus 4, a equal to 8. I'm not done with the sum. I still have to go ahead. I have to find the 29th term. So to find the 29th term, a29 will be a plus 28d. So a29, my a is 8 plus 29, and the d is 2. So it will be 8 plus, this will be 28 into 2, which is 56. So my 29th term is equal to 64, and this is the answer. They wanted the 29th term, which is 64. If the third and the ninth term of the AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, which term of this AP is 0? So here they are saying the third term is 4. So third term equal to 4. So a3 equal to 4 means a plus 2d equal to 4. This becomes equation 1. Then they say the ninth term of the AP is minus 8. So ninth term equal to minus 8. So a9 equal to minus 8. So a plus 8d equal to minus 8. So this becomes my second equation. So now I'm going to subtract equation 2 equation 2 from 1. So we have a plus 2d equal to 4 and a plus 8d equal to minus 8. And in order to subtract, I need to change my signs. This cancels out. So here I'll have minus 6d equal to 12. And then I continue here. So minus 6d equal to 12. So d equal to 12 over minus 6 and d equal to minus 2. So I have my d, and I have to now find the a. To find a, I will put or substitute d equal to 2 in any one of the equation, the first equation, that is a plus 2d equal to 4. So we don't know our a. 2d is minus 2 equal to 4. A minus 4 equal to 4. So a will be equal to 8. So I got the second information. The last part of the question says, which term is 0? So they are saying which term is 0, which means which term is an? We don't know which term. Equal to 0. So what is an? A plus n minus 1d equal to 0. Our a is 8, we already found that. N minus 1, our d we found is minus 2 equal to 0. We open the bracket, so we have minus 2n plus 2 equal to 0. So 8 and 2 plus 2 is 10 minus 2n equal to 0. So 10 equal to 2n, we take it on the other side, the sign changes, so n is 10 over 2, n equal to 5. So which term is 0? The fifth term of this AP is 0. The 70th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. So here I've written 17th term exceeds 10th term by 7. So 17th term means A17 equal to exceeds the 10th term means 10th term plus 7. So this statement, when I put it mathematically, it becomes A17 means 17th term is the 10th term plus 7. Now what is the 17th term? A plus 16d. 10th term A plus 9d plus 7. So the A will cancel on either sides, and I have 16d equal to 9d plus 7. So 16d minus 9d equals to 7. Now 16d minus 9d is 7d equals 7. So d equal to 7 by 7. So d equals to 1.